The first step is to connect the LED to your Raspberry Pi. Here it is. I connected it to gpio 26. Now I'm going to build the switch. Here it is. So as you can see, the switch is connected to the 3.3 volt line, and it's normally on, connected to gpio 21. When I press the switch, it gets grounded, which then the Raspberry Pi will detect that the button has been pressed, and in which case we can send that signal to gpio, what was it again? 26, which will light up the LED. Okay, so now I import gpio 0 and LED and button, and I'm going to import sleep because I'm going to use that later. I then define LED to be LED 26 because my GPIO pin is 26 for the LED, and for the button it was 21. Then I defined two functions. One says button press. It turns the LED on, and then it sleeps for a moment. And then the other one, button underscore release, well, it turns the LED off. And then this is built into the button function, but I defined button.1 pressed as button press, what I just made, and button.1 released as button release. So let's see what happens if I run it. Run here. So let's look here. When I press the button, it turns on. When I let go, it turns off. Okay. I could also use the led.toggle function. Okay, just define button press as to do led.toggle, and when the button is pressed, okay, it's gonna do the toggle thing. So what is toggle? Well, it toggles the LED on and off. So I press it now, it turns on. Press it, it turns off.